And you guys, here's my finished product of my seafood boil on this holiday. Did something a little different, something I had taste for. Here's my sauce here. Look at all these onions and stuff in here, you guys. Garlic, seasoned very well. So yeah, it's still extremely hot, so I gotta let it cool down just for a minute, not too much. And I'm about to get to eating, okay? And see some shrimp. I got shrimp in here. I got my sausages over here, eggs, corn, you name it, it's in here. Only thing I didn't feel like doing was the crab legs. They were still frozen, so just enough for me. There's probably going to be a little bit too much for me. But yeah, you guys, this is my dinner for today. So I'm finna go in here and get me a cold one, and I'm about to relax, and I'm about to enjoy this holiday. And I thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye for now.